We're happy that you're with us tonight and hope you'll come back often.
We truly appreciate the love and the energy that exhibitors put into their stands, and it's their efforts that really make the expo such a success. The Most Creative Stand Award is an opportunity for a designer to really show how creative they can be with their presentation, which in turn makes their designs and their products come alive. Stands are judged for their innovation, interactivity, and overall sexiness. The 2012 Most Creative Stand is awarded to Mike van Heerden, one of our emerging creatives. So if you can come up, Mike. So this year the winner is someone called Mike van Heerden, who's a 3D graphic designer from Durban. He is an emerging creative, which just goes to show that you don't necessarily need a lot of money to be creative and to make a really beautiful stand.
I'm an emerging creative at the Design Indaba 2012, and this right here is the lumber range at the moment, but my brand is tactile graphic design, 3D graphic design. It's basically the use of wood in graphic design. I worked in the industry for about 5 or 6 years, and then I decided to go back to get my degree. And my college, I'm from Durban, and they were quite liberal, so I asked them if I could do the wood in graphic design, and they said go ahead. So I did some of this stuff here for my final year, which was last year, and it was based on nostalgia. Basically it just starts off on paper, and then I work, because I don't have any 3D formal training, so I go onto a graphic program called Illustrator, and I design all the stuff in 2D. So for example, this fox, I would draw it on computer and then work out how I'm going to work it out in 3D, and then get the wood. And for this one specifically, I found a crate, so this was laser cut. This, for example, is something I found on the road. So it all works in kind of a flat pack sort of way first. I designed it in 2D, it's all flat, and I just try to kind of work out how it all fits together. It's almost like puzzle pieces. Some of these are based on my own childhood, and some of these are just like general nostalgic pieces. The reason why I chose wood is because I wanted to do 3D, but also I saw that people are going back to the natural things. I won this, which is the Most Creative Stand, and next year I'm going to be exhibiting here at a full-on proper stand, 6 meters squared.
He went to a great amount of attention and detail to make his products very seamlessly integrate with his stand. It's full of beautiful woodwork, very finely crafted. It says a lot about who he is as a designer and how seriously he takes his craft.
You don't have to be part of the corporate machine. You can come here, and if you really have a passion to make something of your work, you really can, and you can potentially go international. And I think that's important if you really have a passion for design.
And this is really important to us at the Design Indaba Expo, because first of all, we really want to encourage our exhibitors to be creative with how they present their products. But also, of course, creativity underlies everything that we do at the Design Indaba, and it's something that we're always trying to push as much as we can.